Smart manufacturing is about harnessing new technologies to enable manufacturing to be faster, better, cheaper. These new technologies include artificial intelligence, data-driven methods, robotics, sensors, industrial IoT, or Industry 4.0.
The work that we're doing here is incredibly important to take the manufacturing community to new heights. We're going to be working on integrating machine learning and artificial intelligence to control our processes and qualify our components. This is going to be incredibly important to make sure that we secure our future competitive advantage.
Smart manufacturing is important in a variety of areas of manufacturing. I'm actually working on a research project where we're developing sensor technology, a wireless sensor system that can do real-time monitoring of critical quality attributes during a cell manufacturing process.
Smart manufacturing is a necessity because other people are improving, other manufacturers are improving, and if your facility or your industry or your company doesn't improve, people are going to catch you and they're going to surpass you.
Advancing smart manufacturing just makes manufacturing more efficient, more economical. It's a force multiplier for our workforce. Yes, we're all about manufacturing and growing it, but at Georgia Tech and at GTMI, it's not just about creating jobs, it's about filling jobs. So we're creating and filling those jobs.
My specific research involves developing new technologies for composite structures, manufacturing, and maintenance. Specifically, we're developing advanced sensor technologies so that we can monitor the composite manufacturing and repair process in real time. So when the aircraft flies, that sensor can monitor the health or the status of the aircraft and also will detect potential defects.
All of that information is combined so that enterprises can make decisions about manufacturing operations and improve their productivity.
I expect to see all of the new technologies that we talk about today play a role to actually create a more sustainable manufacturing enterprise in the future.